expression f of x equals 1 over t minus 4 squared, because this all can be written as the integral of 1 to 5 of 1 over t minus 4 squared dt. From here, we can see that if we plug in 4 for t, so at t equals 4, we get 1 over 4 minus 4 squared, which is 1 over 0 squared, which is which indicates that we have a bit of a problem here, which ends up being a vertical asymptote because we have an infinite discontinuity at 4. So what ends up happening is we have, let's write it out here. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, at 4, we have a vertical asymptote, and the graph is going up on both sides. Well, it's going up towards infinity up here. So we can't evaluate the integral because it does not exist from on this between this line here. So we have to say that because it has because the integral has an infinite discontinuity, we cannot evaluate it, so then it does not exist. So has a discontinuity. It's only because we're evaluating it from 1 to 5. We could do it if it was between 1 and 4 or between 5 and infinity. It's just we can't evaluate it because right in the middle of it, it's got 4. And that's where it goes off to infinity because it's the vertical asymptote. At t equals 4. And then this means that it has a vertical asymptote, which ends up being what our discontinuity is, and then it does not exist.